This plant you are seeing your screen is called miracle leaf or miracle plant. This plant has a lot of health benefits, and as you can see, this plant, it helps in terms of lungs problem. Let me say, if you have asthma, chronic cough, in fact, it has both spiritual and physical health benefit. But for physical health benefit, it works a lot of health benefit in body. It helps in digestion. It is edible. The solution, the way to use this plant you are seeing, look at the plant. The solution to use this plant is either by taking this plant as you are seeing, boil it and drink, or you pack it enough and grind it and drink like that. As you can see, this plant has a lot of health benefits. But if you want more detail on how to use this plant, if you need details on how to use the plant you are seeing, look at the plant here. It is edible. You can eat this plant. Look at the plant here. Look at this one. I can take it. You can eat it when you have chronic cough, asthma, lungs problem. You can take this plant. It is very good in terms of, and it helps also in digestion. For more detail on how to use it, contact me on that number in your screen. I will explain vividly on how to use it and when to use it.